Hello friends and welcome back to my studio. So today I am part of a collaboration with Karen Durston, just the two of us, and we gave each other just a couple of parameters. So we chose the style of painting we're going to do, which is going to be a cloud pour, and then we chose the canvas size, which is a 24-inch canvas. And yeah, so this is a canvas that I had used before. I just gave it a quick coat of black gesso to reprime it so it's ready for a fresh pour on top of it. And then a couple of tools I'm using today is I've got this cute little spider strainer and a divided cup. And this one I got from the paint pour store, and I really do like this one a lot. And then the strainer idea, I actually got this off of Fiona Acrylics, and I really like the type of effects that you get from it. So yeah, I will bring you down. I'll show you the paint colors that we're using today, and then we'll get right to it. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Here are the colors. I have Rust-Oleum's Seashell. I have golden iridescent silver. Need to thin that down just a little bit. I have Golden's Payne's Gray. It's my favorite Payne's. Modern Masters Sapphire. Amsterdam's Grayish Blue. And Modern Masters Venetian Blue. Okay, and then this is my cloud mix. I'll put that in the recipe or in the drop down box below. But that gives you an idea of my consistency here. Leaves a trace but doesn't sit for very long before melting into the cup. And then I also have these drips that I've saved from other paintings, strained and brought to the right consistency. Just wanted to show you what I'm doing with the cup here. So I'm starting with grayish blue, and I do one whole portion of that. And then in the next one, I do Payne's Gray, and I fill that whole partition with the Payne's Gray. And then for the next one, I'm going to use a mix of the cloud mix and the silver. And when I say mix, I'm just doing layers instead of filling a whole partition. So yeah, you can see I'm adding a little bit of silver, and then I'll add the cloud mix on top of that. I don't like too much cloud mix. I don't like it to be super explosive or overpowering in the painting. I love the effects that it gives, but I don't want to do too much of it. Okay, and then for this last partition, I'm doing half of the sapphire and half of the Venetian blue. And that's because I didn't want the Venetian blue to take over either. It's a beautiful, beautiful color, and I love the contrast that it's giving to these colors, but I didn't want it to be too much of the painting. Okay, so I set that aside, and then I'm going to go ahead and put down my base coat. And I do like having a solid base coat over the whole canvas to begin with. And if you want a little more information on that, I will link a video to how I prep my canvases. And then after I finish putting my base coat down, I'm going to add just a small puddle in the middle, and that's what I'm going to pour into. And then I take the strainer and I'm putting it just above the paint and just doing a quick kind of ring pour style pour into the strainer. And when I lift the strainer up, you'll see how cool that effect is. A couple of drips, not too worried about that. I can always erase that later. So here I'm just giving it a little spin to open it up a bit, and then from there I'm mostly just going to tilt and work with composition until I get what I'm looking for and I get enough of the paint off, and I think you'll see this opens up just gorgeously. So for that, I think I'm just going to stop talking, put some music on, and let you enjoy the rest of the video.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Oh, yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Yeah, let's go. Be free with me. Oh, come on and let's go. Let's be free with me. Yeah, be free. Be free. Be free with me.
There was something we were fighting about. Can't remember it, can't recall at all. Something about my mind, something wasn't right, something about me. You always win, you always get away. No matter how much pain you cause, I stay. I'm always left behind, lonely in the night. It's so dark, can see the light. But babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you. I always wanna be with you, my love. Babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you, my love. Oh, oh, oh. You, my love. You, my love. You, my love. You, my love. There was something you were screaming about, but I closed my ears, cause I don't wanna hear it anymore. God, it's always something about me. Never something about you, always something about me, only me. What's up with that? What's up with that? Have you ever asked yourself, what's up with that? Oh baby, why won't you take a good look at yourself and stop blaming me? When I just wanna be with you, you my love. You my love. You my love. You my love. Babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you. I always wanna be with you, my love. Babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you, my love. Oh, oh, oh.
Here's a quick little dry walkthrough. Really, really pretty stuff going on here. Love this deep sapphire. It really shimmers in the sun, which we don't have at the moment. But I'm loving that contrast between the Payne's gray and the grayish blue. And the cloud effect didn't take over too much here, which I'm happy about. And I'm just loving, again, the negative space and how dramatic this piece feels. And here we are for a quick little dry walkthrough. Really, really happy with how this turned out. Loving these clouds. Again, not as explosive as some of the cloud mixes, but really does give some gorgeous effects. And then I love these little odd cells that you get from this strainer technique. It really does do some cool stuff. Not really seeing the sparkle so much since I don't have the sunshine, but yeah, overall, I'm really loving how this turned out. I love the negative space. It feels very dramatic. Yeah. Thank you so much for joining me and Karen today. We really appreciate all the support and love that you give our channels. Thank you. Have a great day.